Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to introduce you to a Chevy, namely the '83 Chevy Silverado from the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks series number 9 of 10 from 2025. A very cool vehicle. It's really very successful in terms of paintwork. Also the tires, these white ribbon tires, it just looks mega cool. A really very iconic vehicle. Looks very cool, almost a lowrider, if you look at how low-lying the car is here. That looks really cool. The hood is also printed, as is the roof. Almost rally stripes, I would say. That looks very cool. Here in the back again with such a small rear seat. And the one in the middle almost looks like some kind of table or something. In any case, it looks very cool, which is not so cool now. You can also look through it, apparently. There are holes in it. I don't know if that's how it should be. With the original, I can't imagine that is for rainwater drainage. I don't necessarily think so, but definitely a very cool vehicle. On the holes in the back that doesn't look so successful, but otherwise I like it very much here from below silver, and then here with the beautiful prints here also on the side with the Silverado that looks very cool. Hot Wheels logo, the stripe here on the side, back 2 exhaust pipes. There is not so much going on from the inside. Here 2 seaters, a classic sports pickup, so to speak, with 2 seats for passenger and driver. Here the radiator cooler also looks very iconic, very cool part. Very nice vehicle. In any case, you can definitely include it in your Hot Wheels collection. I would say I'll give you a few more data about the car, and the car, as I said, as the name suggests, is from 1983. It was available at that time with V8 engines with 7.4 liters and 180 horsepower. Top speed was about 170 km/h. In the highest equipment or the highest speed that the car could drive. But this was also limited by the tires. And the car was simply not allowed to go any faster. It's also a pickup truck, so it's a workhorse. And yes, that's actually it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to check back and see you next time. Bye.